Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the Trinity stitch. This is a really beautiful stitch that's a bit like a mini star stitch, and it's a whole free, quite dense fabric. So to make this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1 plus 1 for your turning chain.
To start the Trinity stitch we're going to be working in the second chain from a hook, and into that chain you're just going to make a single crochet. So this counts as the first stitch of our row, so I'll just pop a stitch marker in. So next we're going to make a single crochet 3 together, and we're going to start in the same chain that we made our first stitch in. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and insert your hook into the next one, pull up a loop again. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1. Okay, so the repeat for this row is single crochet 3 together, starting in the same chain as you finish your last stitch. So single crochet 3 together over those next 3 chains, then chain 1, and you repeat that across the row. So after our chain 1, single crochet 3 together, starting in the same chain that you finished your last stitch in. So yarn over, pull up a loop, into the next one, yarn over, pull up a loop, into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1, and repeat again. Starting in the same chain that you finished your last single crochet 3 together, insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and carry this on across the row. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on hook, chain 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on hook, chain 1. Okay, and you continue that across the row. Okay, so once you get to your last stitches, you're going to finish your single crochet 3 together, finishing it in the last stitch, but I'm not going to chain 1 after the last one. Instead, going back into that same chain, I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, so you don't single crochet after the last single crochet 3 together. Instead, you go straight from your single crochet 3 together and make a single crochet in the same chain that you finished in. That's row 1. So row 2, we're going to turn, chain 1, make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row. Just going to pop a stitch marker in there. So we do this row the same as the last, working in the same stitch that we just made our single crochet in. We'll make a single crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches, and 3, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1, working into the same stitch as you finished your last double crochet 3 together. We start the next one, into the next stitch, and then into the next stitch as well. It's always a good idea to make your chain 1s nice and loose because you do need to work into them in the next rows. Starting in the last stitch of the last one you did, we start our next one, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1, and continue this across the row until you get to your last 2 stitches. Okay, so last 2 stitches there, we're going to do a last single crochet 3 together. But like we did in the row below, I'm not going to chain 1 afterwards. Instead, I'm going to make a single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so not doing that last chain 1 is going to preserve our stitch count and make sure we don't gain any stitches as we go up the rows. And that's row 2 of the Trinity stitch. So for the rest of the Trinity, you're going to repeat row 2 until you have as many rows as you need.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the Trinity stitch. I would love to see what you make with this pretty stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.